This tutorial will show you how to install and play games with Amazon Luna on your Chromecast with Google TV. I'll also show you how to connect a wireless Bluetooth controller or connect your phone as a controller. Amazon Luna requires an Amazon Prime account or a subscription to Luna Plus. I'll be using my Amazon Prime account in this tutorial. Let's get started. We're going to go all the way right to Settings, click on the Settings icon, and then go down to System. Go down to About, and go down to Android TV OS Build. Click on it 7 times. You should see a "You are now a developer" message. And if you press back and go down, you should see developer options. Now we're going to return to the home screen, and we're going to go to search, go down to the search bar, and search for Downloader. It should be the first result, Downloader by AFTV News. Click into it and press Install. Once it's done installing, open it. Press Allow and hit OK. Now go up into the URL field and click into it and enter bit.ly/TVLUNA and press enter. This is a shortened link I created to the Luna Android TV installation file. Now download the APK file. Go to Settings and turn on Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. Now press Install. Once it's finished, we're going to hit Done and press back on the remote to return the downloader. And we're going to delete the installation file since we no longer need it. Press Delete and press Delete again. Now if we return to the home screen and we go under Your Apps, you should see Amazon Luna is installed. And now we can open it. And here you'll need to sign into your Amazon account. Go to amazon.com/code on your phone or computer, sign into your Amazon Prime account, and enter the code under Step 2. You now have Luna on your Chromecast with Google TV. I'll now show you how to connect your phone as a controller, and also how to connect a wireless Bluetooth controller, like a PlayStation or Xbox controller, to your Chromecast. So if you don't have a Bluetooth controller, you can use your phone as a controller. Simply scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera, or open the App Store on your phone and download Luna Controller and sign into your Amazon Prime account. Once signed in, you should immediately be able to use your phone as a controller. Now if you have a Bluetooth controller, I'll show you how to connect your controller. Return to the home screen and open Settings on the top right corner. Go down to Remotes and Accessories. Go to Pair Remote or Accessory. At this point, make sure your controller is in pairing mode. Select your controller and hit Pair. That's it. You can now use your wireless controller to play games in Luna. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.